Hi there, it's Pam here from Tiger in the Kitchen. If you're looking for the quick and easy non-spicy Asian noodles dish that are great to share among the family, parents, grandparents, kids, this dish is the one to pick. Pad Woon Sen or stir-fry glass noodles. Alright, let's go through ingredients. Ta-da! First, of course, we need glass noodles. I'm using dried ones here and we're gonna soak in the water later. Cabbage. If you're a local supermarket selling them in half, try to pick the one that has some gaps between the layers because it's gonna be crispier than the one that the leaves stack up too tight. Onion. Garlic. Carrot. Tomato or tomatoes, depends on how much you want to put them. Green onion, some celery, baby corns, 2 eggs. If you want more, add more. For seasonings, we need vegetable oil, oyster sauce, fish sauce. If you don't consume fish sauce, you can use light soy sauce instead. Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you're gonna know I use this sauce a lot. You can also substitute with Maggi. They taste and smell pretty similar. Palm sugar, brown sugar, and chicken stock. So if you're using dried glass noodles, soak them in water for about 7 to 10 minutes. And during that, let's prepare the veggies. And this menu is really flexible. If you don't have all the vegetables like in the video, that's totally fine. Put whatever you want or whatever you already have in the fridge. And the amount of it is really up to you. Feel free to adjust according to your favorite. For cabbage, I'm gonna be using just a quarter of a half cabbage. Or should I say 1/8? Anyway, it's one of the veggies that can be kept in the fridge for a long time. And to make it come out crispy, cut into bigger pieces, don't slice. This piece is hard, throw away or munch if you want. Break the layers and clean them nicely, then rinse the water and put aside. A half onion. You want it crispy? Cut it big. You like it soft? Slice thinly. Simple as that. For carrot, I'm gonna be using a half. Then julienne it zigzag like this. Put in the same bowl with onion because we're gonna have 2 sets of veggies here. Tomato, slice it. And I like removing the seeds and the jelly part because I don't like it mushy, and I'll keep these for maybe making pasta later. Some baby corns. Cut the green onion into about 2 inches. And celery. Now we have 2 sets of veggies. The first set we have onion, carrot, and cabbage. If you want some crispiness in this dish, the order of vegetables you put matters. Then the second set basically are softer vegetables. We have baby corns, tomato, green onion, and celery. Then chop 2 garlic roughly. And our glass noodles should be ready now. Cut them shorter first, so let's tango in the pan, and better if you're sharing this meal with kids or elders. Then rinse the water. Alright, cool. Let's move to the stove. The whole time cooking, we want to stay on medium-low heat. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Expand all over the pan and just let it warm up, but not hot, just warm up. Throw chopped garlic in, put, not throw. Stir for about 1 minute or until it smells good. And if you want to add some other protein like pork, chicken, beef, or seafood, this is the time to put it and stir with the garlic until they're cooked. For me today, I'd go with eggs only. And I'm gonna be using 2 eggs today. You can go for 3 or 4 if you want. Break the eggs lightly. We want to give them some time to cook before breaking them because we don't want scrambled eggs here. Just allow them to become chunks. By the way, my lovely viewers are from so many countries, and I know this menu doesn't only exist in Thailand, so let me know in the comment if you have this menu in your country as well. Alright, put glass noodles on top of the eggs. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make noodles come out moisture, not come out hard. But first, use your spatula, flip the eggs on top. To allow the heat from the eggs helps cooking the noodles. Then we add chicken stock. Can be just water as well if it's more convenient. And stir it up a bit until the noodles soak it up. This way, inside the noodles is the chicken stock, so the moist stays longer than if it's sugar and stuff inside, which will make it become a little dry and hard after. Fish sauce in. Like I mentioned before, you can use either fish sauce or light soy sauce, depends on what you prefer. A half tablespoon palm sugar. For the depth of the taste, stir until it melts. Then another half tablespoon brown sugar. So if you don't have palm sugar, just put 1 tablespoon brown or regular white sugar. No serious here. It's supposed to be easy and simple menu. Onion and carrot. Try to also put the glass noodles on top to cook them thoroughly. Then cabbage with a couple tablespoon oyster sauce. A half tablespoon seasoning sauce. Mix them up. Keep stirring until the cabbage looks shiny green like this. Then add the second set of veggies. Stir them for about a minute or 2. Use 2 spatulas to help mixing if needed. ready to serve. Check out more Asian and Thai recipes on my channel and subscribe if you like Thai cooking. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you lovely days. See you again next recipes, guys. สวัสดีค่ะ